Hey everyone, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and in this video we are opening up 3 different Hot Wheels car culture series. Now being a little more specific, we're unleashing the beautiful Hot Wheels premium models from Street Tuners, Desert Rally, and Cruise Boulevard. These 3 car culture sets make up the final 3 assortments of 2019. The year started with Golf, Open Track, and Silhouettes, and ended with these 3 sets you see right here. I think the best part about the car culture lineup is the fact that there is something for everyone. There are cars that zip on the streets, tear up the dunes, or even just roll up to a car show. We have 15 cars here today, so let's open them up and take a look at these models out of the box. Starting off with Street Tuners, number 1 out of 5 is the metallic white Nissan SILVIA S15 with black 6-spoke mag Real Riders wheels, a black spoiler on the back, and a license plate that says 15 to represent S15. Following up the Nissan is number 2 out of 5 in the set, the metallic yellow 95 Mazda RX-7 with a bright coat of paint, 10-spoke Real Riders wheels, and a black front-end lip splitter to shred the streets. After the Mazda, we have number 3 out of 5, a glossy black 96 Nissan 180 SX Type X riding on a set of 5-spoke gold Real Rider exotics that give this car a street tuner style. Now for number 4 out of 5 in Street Tuners, this one is a metallic silver Honda S2000 sitting on a set of modern concave Real Riders wheels in black, also featuring a Honda license plate on the back. As for the 5th and final car of this series, it is the metallic blue PANDEM Subaru BRZ with the full PANDEM body kit featuring the giant spoiler on the back, wide body arches, and 6-spoke mag Real Riders wheels. This car is ready to send it in the streets. Diving into Desert Rally, the first car in this series is the red 1970 Oldsmobile 442. Nicknamed the Baja Bruiser, it rips on a set of yellow Real Riders turbine wheels with off-roading tires. Trucking along to number 2 out of 5, which is the white 1980 Dodge MACHO Power Wagon. This one sits on a set of gray Preferred Series off-road Real Riders and features quite a macho suspension. Number 3 out of 5, roaring through the desert, is the aqua-colored 88 Jeep Grand Wagoneer, riding on a set of black 5-spoke Real Rider exotics paired with fat tires for the sand. Tearing into model number 4 out of 5 in Desert Rally, it's one of my personal favorite trucks, the black 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor with the model year on the side and black 8-dot Real Riders wheels. The final car riding the desert dunes is the green Volkswagen Baja Bug with yellow striping, a spare tire on the roof, and white 8-dot Real Riders wheels. This thing is ready for a rally. Let's roll into our next car culture set, which is Cruise Boulevard. The first model in this series is the red Toyota Supra, which is a super clean model with black 6-spoke mag Real Riders wheels. cruising on down the boulevard, we have number 2 out of 5, which is the blue 69 Chevelle SS 396 with white rally stripes and muscular 5-spoke mag-type wheel riders in gray. Taking a look at number 3, it is the metallic orange 2014 custom Mustang with 5-spoke exotic Real Riders wheels in chrome and black racing stripes to really set this car apart. For number 4 in Cruise Boulevard, the set features a light blue custom 93 Nissan hardbody D21 truck with a purple interior, purple striping, and chrome 10-spoke Real Riders wheels. Wrapping up this Hot Wheels car culture series, Cruise Boulevard, we have number 5 out of 5, the Volkswagen Classic Bug. This white and gold car features a set of gray classic 4-spoke Real Riders that make it fit for a car show. So guys, let me know in the comments below which Street Tuners model you would pick to rip up the roads, which Desert Rally truck would you use to tear up the terrain, and which Cruise Boulevard model would you use to hug the highways. These Hot Wheels car culture models are a ton of fun to collect. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, make sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.